Tired of thread breaks and machines that can't keep up? Running an embroidery business is tough enough. You shouldn't have to deal with machines that jam, misalign, or slow you down. A bad machine doesn't just hurt your productivity, it affects your designs, delays orders, and drains your energy. That's why in this video, I'm breaking down the top 5 commercial embroidery machines that offer high-speed stitching, professional finish, and the durability needed for serious output. Whether you're upgrading your shop or just getting started, this guide will help you make a confident investment that boosts both quality and profits. So, without any delay, let's get started. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the powerful and feature-packed Bay Vision embroidery machine. If you're serious about embroidery, whether you're starting a custom apparel business or scaling up production, this commercial embroidery machine is built to deliver professional quality results at impressive speed. Right off the bat, what makes the Bay Vision stand out is its 15-needle setup. That means you can embroider multicolor designs without constantly stopping to change threads. It's fast, too. With speeds up to 1,200 stitches per minute, this machine can keep up with bulk orders without sacrificing detail. And it's not just fast, it's precise, which is a big deal when you're working on logos, lettering, or fine detail patterns. The machine also features the Vision V22 system, which gives you real-time stitch tracking and adjustments. That's perfect for reducing errors and wasted materials, especially during long runs. You also get a large HD touchscreen for easy design preview and editing, so no extra computer setup is needed. Whether you're uploading files via USB or using built-in designs, the interface is user-friendly and designed to keep your workflow smooth. This machine is also incredibly versatile. It works well on hats, t-shirts, jackets, bags, and more. It even comes with multiple hoops and a cap driver kit, so you're ready for almost any type of garment right out of the box. Yes, it's a higher-end investment, but if you're looking for commercial-grade performance in a compact footprint, the Bay Vision embroidery machine delivers serious value. It's ideal for small business owners who want to bring high-quality embroidery in-house without the steep learning curve. So if you're ready to take your embroidery game to a professional level, this is a fantastic place to start. Check out the link in the description to learn more and see real reviews from other embroidery pros. Coming in at number 4 in the best commercial embroidery machine is the sleek and surprisingly powerful S1201 compact embroidery machine from SmartStitch. Now, if you're dreaming of taking your embroidery hustle to the next level without dedicating your entire garage to machines, this one deserves your attention. It's compact, yes, but don't let the size fool you. This machine brings serious commercial-grade performance to your table. The S1201 features 12 needles, which means you can create multicolor, detailed embroidery without constantly swapping threads. It's a huge time saver, especially if you're doing custom orders or batch production. It's fast, too. With 1,000 stitches per minute, it delivers smooth, clean stitching even on tough materials like denim and canvas. One of the coolest things? The intuitive touchscreen interface. It's large, bright, and easy to navigate. You can preview your designs, make edits on the fly, and jump between patterns effortlessly. It supports various file formats too, which means you can import pretty much any custom design you want, whether it's your logo or a customer's artwork. Despite its compact footprint, this machine is seriously versatile. Whether you're working on hats, t-shirts, jackets, bags, or patches, it handles them all with professional-level precision. It comes with multiple hoops and a cap driver, so you're ready to roll for both flat and curved surfaces right out of the box. If you're running a small embroidery business, starting a custom merch line, or even upgrading from a hobby machine, the S1201 hits that sweet spot between power, size, and ease of use. It's ideal for home studios or small workshops where space is limited but quality matters. So if you're looking for a smart, efficient embroidery machine that won't overwhelm your space, but can handle serious jobs. At number 3 on our list is a machine that means business, the S1501 commercial embroidery machine from SmartStitch. If you're looking to scale your embroidery game and take on more complex, high-volume orders, this beast is built for you. It's powerful, reliable, and designed to handle serious production without eating up your entire workspace. This machine features 15 needles, which is perfect for detailed, multicolor designs. Whether you're stitching intricate logos or high-color custom artwork, you can load up your threads once and let it go to work. No constant changing required. And with stitching speeds up to 1,200 stitches per minute, you'll fly through projects without compromising on quality. The S1501 shines when it comes to professional-level results and flexibility. It's capable of working on flat items like shirts and jackets, but also comes fully equipped to handle caps, bags, towels, and more. You get a full set of hoops and a cap driver right out of the box, meaning you're ready to start fulfilling orders from day one. What's really great is how user-friendly it is despite being commercial grade. The large LCD touchscreen gives you easy control over your designs, settings, and file imports. It supports common file formats like DST and DSB, and you can load files directly via USB. Even if you're upgrading from a hobby machine, the interface is intuitive and easy to pick up. This is a perfect fit for small business owners who want industrial quality embroidery without needing a warehouse. It's compact but tough and delivers stunning results across a wide variety of materials and design types. Coming in at number 2 on our list is the sleek and powerful BI The Mirror Embroidery Machine. And let me tell you, this one is a serious contender for embroidery perfection. If you're dreaming of building your own clothing brand, customizing products for clients, or simply bringing your creative vision to life, the Mirror is like having a professional embroidery studio in one compact machine. This machine features 15 needles, giving you the ability to run multicolor, high-detail designs effortlessly. Whether you're doing logos, lettering, patches, or complex patterns, you can load all your threads once and let it go. No need to constantly swap colors. And with a top speed of 1,200 stitches per minute, it gets the job done fast without sacrificing quality. One of the standout features is its 10-inch high-definition touchscreen, which makes editing, previewing, and managing your designs super easy. The user interface is friendly. Even if you're not a tech pro, you'll feel right at home navigating this machine. It supports multiple embroidery file formats, so importing your custom designs is smooth and flexible. What's more, the Mirror is built for versatility. You can embroider on t-shirts, jackets, caps, bags, uniforms, pretty much anything. It comes with all the hoops, a cap attachment, and tools you need to get started right away. Many users say it's plug and play, and that's a big win for small business owners who don't have time to waste on complicated setups. And finally, our number 1 pick for the best commercial embroidery machine goes to the SmartStitch S1001 upgraded embroidery machine. If you're serious about embroidery and want something that combines power, precision, and simplicity in one clean package, this machine checks all the boxes. The S1001 is a single-head, 15-needle machine, giving you the flexibility to work with multiple colors and complex designs without stopping to change threads. It's built to handle everything from detailed monograms to full-blown multicolor logos, and it does it all at a blazing speed of 1,200 stitches per minute. That means faster turnaround, higher output, and happier customers. What really sets this model apart is how beginner-friendly yet advanced it is. The 10.1-inch HD LCD touchscreen gives you full control over your designs with an interface that's intuitive and easy to navigate. You can import files via USB, adjust patterns on screen, and preview your embroidery in real time before hitting start. It supports DST, DSB, and other common formats. No external software headaches here. The S1001 is also designed to be incredibly versatile. Whether you're working on t-shirts, hoodies, bags, patches, hats, or even thick jackets, this machine powers through with pro-level stitching and consistency. It includes multiple hoops, a cap driver, and essential tools, everything you need to get started from day one.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!